Hello. My name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered how to set up a YouTube channel? This video will assist in how to set it up properly so you can start creating your very own videos. To start, you will need to have an email address. I, personally, like to use Gmail as it is easy to create. Once you have your email account, you can proceed to YouTube at www.youtube.com. In the upper right corner of the page, you will see Sign In. Click this button and sign in using your email account. After you have signed into YouTube, click on the icon in the upper right where the words Sign In used to be. This should now be an icon representing your email account. Near the top of the drop-down, you will see Create a Channel. Click it to begin your journey. Type in a name for your channel. Don't make it too long or use strange icons as you want it to be easy for people to remember. Once you have this set, click Create Channel. The creation may take a few minutes to complete, so be patient. Congratulations! You have a YouTube channel. However, this is only the beginning. Let's see how to set up your channel and make it look inviting for people to come watch your videos. Click on the Customize Channel button. Then click Continue to get past the welcome screen. This is the YouTube Studio. You will spend most of your time here as this is the heart of what happens on your channel. In the Layout tab, you can set up what people see when they first look at your channel. Normally you can just set up a videos or shorts section as you don't have anything published yet. If you have, or want to make, a channel trailer, you can do that here. Next, let's take a look at the Branding tab. This is where you set up how people will see your channel. Take some time to figure out what you want your channel image to look like, as it will be what the viewers will see first. This can be changed later if you decide you don't like it. Make sure to follow the directions as to how big the images can be, or you will have trouble setting it up. Make sure you set up all the items in the Branding tab, as this is how people will see you. This is very important, but not the most important part. We will get there later in the video. The final tab in this section is Basic Info. You want to take time and fill this out. The description should be detailed enough for people to understand what you are trying to do, but personable enough to not sound boring. Once complete, make sure you click Publish in the upper right corner, then click View Channel to see what you created. Now it's time to create your first video. Take a lot of time to figure out what you want to do on your channel. A channel that does not have a solid topic or niche will not do as well as one that focuses on one area. To figure out what you should have for a first video, I suggest you find something you love and have interest in. That way you can talk about it with excitement and knowledge and not need to do a lot of research. This will also help you down the road when it gets harder to figure out what videos to create to keep interest. I personally use OBS for any recording I want to do. This is a great tool that is free to use. It may not have all the bells and whistles that some of the higher-end, pay-to-use, software, but it gets the job done. I will have a link for this in the description below. Once you have your video complete, you need to make sure you edit it. For editing software, I like HitFilm. Again, this is free software that allows you to do a lot of editing of your videos without spending a lot of money. Finally, the thumbnail. As you can see, free is what I like. So, for the thumbnail, I use Gimp. This program is extremely versatile when working with images. You can cut, copy, add and design as much as you like. With all this in mind, there is better software you can use if you want to pay for it, but since you are not making any money from YouTube yet, I like to save where I can. So, now you have created and edited your video and thumbnail. What is the next step? Time to upload and publish it. Go to your channel homepage. For your first upload, you can click the Upload Video link on the homepage. After the first video, just click the Upload link in the upper right corner. At this point, you can either drag the video to the box or click the Select Files button to add your video. YouTube will start uploading your video. This may take a while based on your internet speed and length of video. This first page will be where you make sure your video can be seen. Make sure you name the video something that will catch the eye and include a word or two that describe what's going on in the video. In the description, make sure you go over the reason you made the video and include any links or copyright credits to make sure you don't get a copyright strikes. Continue down the options to thumbnails. This is where you will upload the thumbnail you created. Next, click Not Made for Kids, unless you specifically did make it for kids. Click Show More. Move down to the Tags area. This is the most important area to focus on, as this is how YouTube will know who to show your video to. If you are unsure how to create tags, first, think up keywords that describe your video. If you are still having issues, you can try the site Rapid Tags. This site will take what you put in it and give you a list of tags that may work for your video. Not all the tags will be perfect, but this is a great start if you are unsure how to make tags. Link in the description. Keep going down the list until you reach category. Make sure you place your video in the closest category to what your video shows. As you have noticed, there are many other things in this tab that you can select. I have gone over the basics to get your video out there and get it noticed. Click through the options until you come to the Copyright tab. Wait until the video fully uploads to verify you have no copyright strikes. If you have any, make sure you change your video and remove anything that is not allowed. I will make a video later on what types of things can get you a copyright strike. Finally, after the video is completely uploaded, it is time to publish. Publish your video and then copy the link to the video. Do not send the link to Twitter, Facebook, etc. through the pop-up from YouTube. This will not get you as many views. Just use the link you copied and place that link into whatever media you would like. This will force the people to go to your channel and get you views. Congratulations, you have created your channel and uploaded your first video. This is the beginning of your journey in YouTube. From here, it's best to keep creating videos and getting your channel name out there. I suggest putting out at least 2 videos a week to help you do this. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to put it in the chat and I will try to help you out. If you liked this video, please smack the like button and subscribe if you are new. Also, click that bell icon to make sure you are kept informed of any new videos I put out. Thanks again, and see you next time.